1953 Chevy Bel Air Restomod is a stunning blend of classic design and modern performance, bringing new life to one of the most iconic American cars of all time. This build maintains the vintage appeal of the original Bel Air while integrating the latest technology, power, and comfort to create a more refined and enjoyable driving experience. Restomods allow classic car lovers to enjoy the best of both worlds. Old school style with the reliability and convenience of modern engineering. Under the hood, most Bel Air Restomods replace the original inline 6 engine with a more powerful and efficient powertrain, such as an LS-based V8 or a modern small-block Chevy engine. These upgraded engines produce anywhere from 400 to 600 horsepower, providing significantly more speed and performance than the stock version. Paired with a modern automatic or manual transmission, the improved drivetrain ensures smoother power delivery and better fuel efficiency. Performance upgrades like fuel injection, custom exhaust systems, and upgraded cooling systems further enhance reliability and driving dynamics. The suspension and braking systems are also modernized to improve handling and safety. Many Restomods feature independent front and rear suspension, coilovers, and upgraded sway bars, giving the Bel Air a more comfortable and controlled ride. High-performance disc brakes replace the factory drum brakes, offering better stopping power and confidence at higher speeds. Power steering and electronic stability control are often added to enhance maneuverability and overall driving comfort, while the exterior maintains the unmistakable styling of the 1953 Bel Air. Subtle modifications help enhance its appearance and performance. Many builds include LED headlights, custom alloy wheels, and a lowered stance for a more aggressive look. Custom paint jobs, chrome accents, and smoothed-out bodywork create a sleek and refined aesthetic while preserving the car's original charm. Some Restomods even incorporate lightweight carbon fiber components to reduce weight and improve aerodynamics without taking away from the car's classic appeal. Inside, the cabin is completely reimagined with modern luxury touches, while keeping the vintage essence intact. Premium leather seats with bolstered support, digital instrument clusters, and touchscreen infotainment systems with Bluetooth connectivity transform the driving experience. High-end audio systems, navigation, and climate control provide a level of comfort and convenience that was unimaginable in the original 1953 model. Additional features like power windows, push-button start, and custom interior lighting further enhance the Restomod's usability and appeal. A 1953 Chevy Bel Air Restomod is the ultimate combination of nostalgia and cutting-edge engineering, offering a car that looks classic but drives like a modern performance vehicle. Join us and stay updated on new videos.